balloon.
Boing.
Do you guys want some green beans?
No, thank you.
Look, there's cheese all over the balloon.
Okay, look, Ryan, look. Look what Mommy got you. Fish. You want to try? She's dipping in the pea soup.